Oh, the Royal Pool, that was incredible. The Atlantis Palm Hotel had some amazing pools.
And this was us in the kids' play park. We stayed here for hours.
You didn't stop playing, did you?
No.
And there was that massive bucket and it would just tip all water down on top of you.
We could sit and relax, Mummy and Daddy, and watch you boys play.
Yeah.
With ice creams and lunches. It's amazing.
And when it got too hard, Daddy had to rest.
And have some watermelon.
Before this,
Oh.
scariest ride in the park.
There goes
And
Dad.
the fastest ride in the park. Look at me.
Oh, and he comes out the bottom. Oh, that was the Zoomerango. That was
I know.
incredible.
Well, you thought we were going to top over, didn't you, Mummy?
Yeah, what did you think of that ride, Ollie?
It was amazing. But the dive was probably one of the best.
Oh, that was an amazing experience. Will, can you remember the fishes that we saw?
Oh, yeah.
All the tropical fish with different colours, and the rays, and even sharks. There you are. And they're really gentle as well, aren't they? They just come up to you. That was in the Lost Chamber Aquarium.
It was the biggest aquarium I've ever seen.
Here's us waving at the diver. Here's me playing football.
What a goal.
I'm in goal.
Oh, I think you won that one, Ollie,
I
didn't
think
you? Oh, that beachfront was beautiful. Looking right over the palm.
Oh, look, here's the helicopter coming to land.
Next minute we're on it.
Yeah.
And there we go. Our trip on a helicopter was incredible, flying over the city of Dubai.
Your
Music
first
again?
time in a helicopter, wasn't it?
The Burj Khalifa was amazing. It was really tall.
It towered above us, didn't it? Even in the helicopter.
And at night it put on a great light show.
It did, didn't it? We saw that light show.
the fountains as well.
Oh, yeah, the fountain's right
That's a
beside.
must-see. And here we are,
Look at the Atlantis Palm there.
coming into land, right next door to the Atlantis Palm Hotel.
And you could see all the fish when you could come in.
Yeah. Off we go for dinner. I think we were having pizza that night, weren't we?
Yeah, I think that was our pizza that the man was throwing in the air.
And all the desserts were amazing.
They were lovely, weren't they?
Was that Rhonda Locatelli's restaurant? That was incredible, wasn't
We
it?
went there on Will's birthday, look. We made our own birthday cake for him.
Oh, they did, didn't they? They
Yeah.
made you a
Very
cake.
lucky. Look.
There were so many restaurants to choose from in the hotel. There was something for everyone, wasn't there?
Yeah.
Oh, the desert trip. That was lovely. Going to the desert and watching the sun go down with the sand going through your toes was incredible.
It was so hot, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Best experience.
Seeing that sunset.
Staying at the Atlantis Palm Hotel was truly an amazing experience for us as a family, and we definitely go back.
Love to go back. It'd be
Yeah.
amazing.